Hi, today we are going to see how to use Pixar filter on Instagram. First of all, go to Instagram. In the story option, click on camera, then click on the filters and go to browse effect. Here, in the upper right, you can see a search option. Click on it and search Pixar. Then you can see there are many type of Pixar filter is here. You can try it and you can change it from here. After choosing the filter, you can customize your video or photo. So that's how to use Pixar filter on Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.